Today I'm going to build the rock, paper, scissors game. There will be 3 buttons at the top that is clickable, and then every time you click, that will generate, the computer will make a choice. If you win, then the score will +1 over here. Then let's start. So we start with the boilerplate code first, and link the CSS. And also the JavaScript. So the first one is the 3 button. So there will be a div here, and then with the class of choices. And inside here, there will be a 3 button. This will give a class of choice. And this one will be the rock. And we'll make the 3 button. The second one is the paper. And the third one will be the scissors. So we'll take a look. Okay. And the next one will be the score over here. And give a div for this. You call it a class of score. And then there will be a 2 part. One is one is a player, and one is for the player, one is for computer. So you give a and then a score of 0. And then same goes to the computer. Because our score is beside the beside the player name. So I will put the p tag over here. And then next one will be the result. Oh yeah, we need to add a class for our score. Then one more is for this one is for a temporary one. For the winner will be the paper. Okay, so it will be like this now for now. Then we'll start the CSS. Margin 0, heading 0, box sizing margin 8. And First one will style the background of the body. Color we put a CCC. The CSS is not linked. But yeah, something is wrong.
Your CSS link is not source, it's href.
Okay. Okay, thank you. So after the body, we need to style the 3 button. The class for the button is choice. So first we give it a display effects. And then we throw it to the middle. Then justify content center. And then we don't need the border. None. We also don't need a background. And font size we make a bit bigger. It's not responding. I think we need to style the button. It's too small. We give a 5 frame. And then we need to add the little bit spaces in between. So margin right will be 1 IM. And then when we move over here, the pointer will become the cursor. The cursor will become a pointer. So cursor pointer. Okay. And then when we hover over, our button will become bigger. Transform skew 1.2. Let's see, yeah. And then because this now the transform animation is directly appear, we need to add a little bit timer to slow it down. So it will be a transition. Let's give it 100 milliseconds. It will be slower a little bit compared to just now. Okay, we're done with the 3 button here. Next, we'll start the result. The result is called score. This one we give it a grid. We justify to the center. And then grid. Because our grid will be, we have 2. Our grid we have 2 column only. So repeat 2, and then each column will take a 1 field. So it will be like this. So everything will become a grid with 2 columns. 1 column is for player, 1 column is for computer. Then we move it to the center. Define item center. So align item center. And then we add a little bit margin top. So our result won't stick to the button there. So margin top 1 rem. Okay. And then also we add the font size, make it a bigger 3 rem. Okay. And then next one we style the result score. So result score is a little bit smaller than our player name. So we put it font size of 1 rem. Okay. Yep. The next one will be the choice here. We call it a result choice. What result choice? Just the loose one will have a little bit transparent. So we make it a opacity of 0.5. And then next one, our winner will be a bigger. So dot result choice dot winner opacity of 1, and then font size of 3 rem. Okay. It's not very obvious to a little bit. Okay, so we finish styling the CSS. Actually, we don't need this for now because we will make a JavaScript to generate the div for us. So we will comment it first. Okay, now we go to the JavaScript. Before that, we need to add the data attribute to the button. This one is wrong. This one is a pepper. This one is a Caesar. So constant choices equals to document dot query selected. Oh, we select our data. We select our data choice. Okay. And then because we have 3 data choices, we need to determine which one the player click on. So choices dot for each choice. We need to add we need to see which one the player choice player click on. So we need the data event listener. Listen to click. Yeah. And then we need to see which one the player choose. So choice dot data set dot we name it as choice. So we put it as choice here. And then next one, we declare the array for each choice. So name the first one, the first choice is rock. And then the emoji will be, I copy from here. And this one will be Caesar. This one is the first object, the second choice, and the third choice. Second is a paper. The choice is scissors. This one is a paper. Paper beats rock. And scissors will beat paper. Okay. And then we need to find the object where the player click on. So where the choice yeah, the choice name is equal to the player choice. So we put a constant for this. We assign a constant variable for this. And then we declare a function like choice. Maybe we take in the choice here. Let's see if our function is working. Choice console.log choice. Key unexpected token.
You have a comma at the line 18.
Okay. What is the problem here?
What does the console say?
There's an unexpected token here.
19, 30, 19. Unexpected token.
Okay. choice is not defined.
Or because it's not a global variable, your choices.
Yeah, that one is choices, but you want the choice only. Or is not, is it a typo?
This one is choices. Oh no,
Choice only, right?
choice
So
only.
I believe you have to declare one. Declare below the choices mean at line 2. Like variable choice. Yeah.
No. Mm,
2020. 22.
For each choice. Where did
Isn't
your
this
choice where did your
always
choice come from?
the choice is the each of the button here, isn't it?
In the
Yeah.
callback brackets. Callback brackets is
Yeah, you try to add the choice into the bracket.
I mean like this.
No. After the comma, the bracket after the comma. Yeah, this one.
No. Eh, mhm. Yeah, I refer to my code.
You try to remove the comma, maybe. The choice, yeah. No, it doesn't want that. Ouch.
Yeah, Jack, you try follow what Danish wrote in the the chart there.
Okay.
Oh. Access choice before initiation.
Oh,
Do
I changed the name for this one. I think it's because this choice and this choice variable name is conflicting. Oh,
But that one is choices, I believe. The constant.
I don't. Yeah,
That function.
you have a constant range?
Yeah. You see, at line 22, and you go back to the JS, at line 22, and then at line 25, you see the choice.
this one is the pattern here.
Yeah, I mean, you constant the choice.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
But this one dot data set dot select. Isn't this you take this result, the result here? Isn't it this data set dot select will read this one?
Or you try dot value. I mean, you replace the select into value. Values. Can you try values? With S. Okay, I don't know.
Okay, so it's working now. Okay, this. So we get the object of the player choice now. So the next one we need to generate the computer choice. Function random choice. And we need to generate a random index. Maths.random multiply with choices.length. And then because this one will give us a decimal number, so we need to round it down. Maths.floor. then we return the choices of the random index. Put this down here. Constant computer choice to random choice. Try and see if we can get a computer choice. Okay, we get a computer choice now. So now we have a player choice. We also we declare first. Double check if computer choice is working. Okay, so computer choice is working. And next one, we need to check for winner first. Is we have to give two. We have to give two input opponent choice. So we return if our choice of the bit is same with the opponent choice of name. So let's say our choice is rock, we will be scissors. So if opponent choice is scissors, then we will win. So this one is written true. After this, we need to generate the result. The result generation is here. We display result. This one will take in two variables. One is choice. One is winner. So we need to create a diff first. See like this. Yeah. So if it's a constant name, you put it into a constant variable, and then the inner text will be toys.emoji, because we display the emoji here. And then we add a class for our choice. Div.class list.add. What we call result choice. And then if win, then div.class list add winner. Okay. So we display computer choice. With computer because we need to check. We declare a variable to check if the computer win or not. So computer choice and player choice. And we also another another variable for player win. Display result. Computer win. And we also need a player. So let's see what will happen now. Oh, we haven't add in. So our result will display after the computer, after this div. So we give it the plus attribute final column, and then we declare a variable to get the data, the final column. Is it correct? Yes, settings. And then here we add after. So we add in a div after the final column. So because now it's draw, nobody win. So if it will be like this. So if we win, then our choice will be bigger. And then here I put the computer choice first is because because we how to say, because the result is displayed after this column. So so when at this row, this one it will be generated first at here. The scissors it will be generated at this place, and then next one, our player choice will generate after. So it will push the scissor to behind. So it will be aligned with the computer's column. Okay. So the last one will be the score here. For the score, we add the data attribute player score. Computer score. We also need to query for the player score and the computer score. And so our last function will be score increment. We need to take in a span. Then span dot first we need to change the span into a to int and then pass 1. Let's see if this is working. If player win, and we increment the player score. Else, so if otherwise computer win, we increment the computer score. And let's see what is the spend here. It's not getting my player score. Wait, how did I get the 0 here? Okay. Okay, so I think we done. So now if we win, the score will increase by 1. So what we do here is we edit the spend for the inner text. If we win, then we plus 1. Yep. So it will be like this. Yep, I think I finished the rock and paper and scissors mini game here. Any question?
Yeah.
It looks good. Looks good to me.
Yes, sorry.
Yeah.
Any question?
How did you get the emoji? Did you key in a specific Emmet code at the
No,
or
I
just
just
copy and paste?
copy and paste.
Okay,
I
okay.
copy from the chat,
Ah.
WhatsApp chat.
I see, okay.
So if no question, I will stop presenting now. Okay. So I think that's all for today. Very thank you everyone for coming. I hope we learned something here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
See ya.
See you.